Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Overmole here. We are going to do our part 2 of our letters and sounds. So let's get started. What is this letter? N. And the N is na, na, na for the sound. Practice that. Na, na, na. Like no, no, no. The next letter is a vowel. So we have 2 sounds. Remember the sounds what letter is this? O. O says ah and O, like okay. The next letter, everyone say this letter, F, and the F says like fan. Good job. Our next letter is, everyone say it, G, and the G says G, G, like go. Good job. Our next letter is, everyone say it, D, and the sound goes da, da, da. Our next letter is, what letter is this? R. Our R says Take your 2 fingers and Good job. What is this letter? P, and the P says p, p, p. Good job. And this letter has 2 sounds. What letter is it? E, and the E says and E for easy. That's all I have for today. Have a great day and keep practicing those letters. Bye.